Okay, okay, in this one we're going to start learning how to use the point slope form. We've been working on a slope intercept form, and we can create an equation using the slope intercept form here because we have the slope and the y-intercept, but we have to learn how to use the point slope form. The point slope form, and it's exactly what it says, you need a point and you need a slope. And that's why it's called the point slope form. And it looks like this: y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So it's a cross between, if you look at this looks like the slope formula. That's really what it is. They just moved the x's over with the m, like you see here, and the y2 is by itself. All right. So like I said, we only need 1 point. If you look, there's no y2 or y1. It's just y1. And since we have our point, it's right here. That's our x, and this is our y. So we're just going to fill this in. All right, so it's y minus, and our y value is a 3, so we're going to put a 3 there. Equals, our slope is negative 3, and then we have x, and then our x value is minus 2 because it's positive 2. Now, we have this in point slope form, so this actually is the point slope form. But technically, we're not going to leave it like this most of the time. But right now, this is our point slope form. Later on, we're going to, like I said, we're going to distribute and put it in the slope intercept form and then put it in standard form. But as of the request right now, we're learning how to put an equation in point slope form. Now there is a way we want to graph, so we go to, says our point, this is not the y-intercept, we're going to mark this out. We're going to put our point at 2, 3, which is right here. We go over 2, up 3, 1, 2, 3, and there's our point. If I can get my pointer right, point's right there. And then remember, my slope is rise or run. So since we have a negative 3, we're going to put a 1 underneath it, and so the negative means I go down 3, and the 1 means I go to the right 1. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 to the right 1. So I'll put my dot right there. Down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Put a dot there. We also can do the opposite. Instead of saying negative 3 over 1 and going down 3 to the right 1, we could say positive 3, negative 1. That means I could go up, but then I have to go to the left, which is still a negative motion. So 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. 1, 2, 3 to the left 1. And then I can connect my line like that. And that's what my line will look like.